If you're wanting a Fox body and you're wanting a convertible right now, guys, it is the time to get it, because let me tell you, they're not gonna stay cheap for long. And this is a nice, clean example. We're gonna talk about it right here today on the channel. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we're actually at FOXtoberfest. This is one of the many videos I'm putting out at FOXtoberfest, but I had to get with this one in particular because I saw this car at Mustang Week. You guys might remember from that video. I kind of went crazy over this hood because I'm thinking about it for Tar Heel Fox. Actually, most of the comments, you guys thought it was a good idea to put it in there. So, but anyway, I wanted to get the story behind this car today. Like I mentioned in the intro, it is a convertible. I think we need to be doing more convertible things in Fox bodies. They are a little bit undervalued right now compared to the rest of them. But yeah, guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. Like I said, this is a 93 convertible. I'm here with the owner, Geoff. Hey, Geoff, welcome to the channel.
Hey there.
But thanks for being here. Now, you've had this car since, what, 2019, you said?
December 2019.
Okay, so coming up on 2 years. And when you got it, was it in the state, or what have you changed on it so far? Maybe walk through that.
It wasn't in the state. It was vibrant white, but it was a little dirty and dingy. I had the interior redone, paint, everything.
Yeah, and on the paint now, did you have it repainted?
Yes.
Okay.
Repainted.
And it was vibrant white. What is it now? It's not quite vibrant white, is it?
It's still the vibrant white, but it has a blue candy pearl.
Blue candy pearl. Okay, and so it really pops. Unfortunately, today, you know, it's not sunny, but I remember at Mustang Week, when I saw it at Mustang Week, guys, it was really kind of popping. It caught my eye. And so you had it repainted. Now the interior, yeah, let's talk about that real quick. So originally you said it had a white interior.
White leather interior.
Which you went ahead and you just recovered everything. This is still the original seat frames,
yes,
right?
Original seats.
And this is a opal gray, right? Gray. Yeah, which is 93, which is good, right? It could have gone with the other color, guys. We went with the 93. Yeah. You got the cup holder console. We do have an auto. Oh, I see that you've got this. Is this the 417 Fox bezel? It is. Yes. Okay, I like that. Yeah, shout out to Michael. He makes those trim bezels, 417 Fox. In case you guys haven't seen it before, it lets you relocate, put your double din above the AC controls. Do you like using that a lot more like that now?
I love it a whole lot better.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's more convenient to get to.
Yeah, it makes it a lot easier. I still, unfortunately, I have mine lower, even though I have a bezel. I haven't taken the time to put it in yet. I had like this coupe build I've been working on. That's very cool. Originally vibrant white, and you just repainted it. I can't believe this is a factory. Is that a factory color?
93 vibrant white.
Okay. Wow, I haven't seen many like this.
It's just the blue pearl makes the color look totally different.
It's fantastic. And wheels were also different, right?
Yes.
Were you already 5-lug swapped when you bought it? Okay, it was 5-lug swapped, but it had different brakes on it.
Backs was the same. It had the 98 Cobra brakes on the back.
Okay. And it still got those,
yeah,
right?
Still got those.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what about the front up here? What we had on the front before?
The front had the 98 Cobra brakes up front. Now it has the Cadillac brakes.
Okay, yep, with the Cadillac Brembo conversion. And did you change the rotor on that too, or is it just the caliper that changes?
I changed that, and I changed the caliper. I put a 0304 Cobra calipers on it.
Okay.
Rotors.
And the wheels, it had different wheels on it before, right?
It had FR500s.
FR500s, and these are called what again?
The Robos.
These are Robos?
Yes.
Okay. They are, I like the black. Now, there's one guy that keeps commenting on my videos. He hates black wheels, so he's gonna hate this video, but I love them. I think they look good, and I think it makes it pop.
Yeah.
I actually wouldn't mind that on my car either. There's a lot of things you've done to your Fox body here that I like about mine. Transmission, is it still the AOD?
Yes. Okay. AOD.
Now I noticed you got a couple switches here. What's up with that?
Switches are for my contour fan, my electric fan.
Oh, you got an electric fan. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and pop the hood. Maybe take a look at that. And the hood did not come with it. You put that on when you had it painted. Okay. For the record, this is a Cervini's Celine hood, or
they call it the heat exchanger, heat extractor.
Heat extractor.
Yeah, like the 04 Cobra.
Cervini's heat extractor. Okay. Yeah, it's like a 0304 Cobra. There we go. And he's got no prop rod, which I like that. Got the struts. And okay, you got the contour fans. I do see that. So you were saying, how much did you actually buy this car for back in 2019?
$6,500.
See, guys, that's why you got to get a convertible. Now, you probably wouldn't get that cheap now, but still, I think they're a little, what do you think about that? Do you think they're undervalued compared to the rest of the Foxes right now?
I believe so, yes.
Yeah.
They are.
And they're fun.
Yeah.
Do you like dropping the top, right?
Yeah, I love having the top down.
It's a good cruiser.
Yes.
Yeah. Right now, though, we're looking at mainly a stock power plant for now, or?
Stock for now until after this show.
Yeah.
347 going in.
347. And what are you going to put on the heads cam intake? I'm sure it's not being stocked. So.
Trip flow intake. It's going to have a trip flow stage 2 kit.
That's going to be a lot of fun. It does look like you got, what, headers on it now?
Yeah, it is. Market headers. H-pipe, off-road H-pipe. It's got flow masters done.
You're making me happy here, Geoff. I love flow masters. We need more Flowmasters. Now that is also, you got the cold air intake. This is the same style I think I just put on, right? Where the filter's like right in there.
Yeah.
It looks good, and it's really a clean engine bay. Now when you have the engine out to do the 347, are you going to redo the bay at all, or what are you thinking?
I'm not going to do it. I thought about doing it, but that's just, I'm going to have this thing back up by April. FOXBODY's at the beach.
FOXBODY's at the beach, okay. Here's the other thing on the bay, and I know you guys are not gonna like this, but I'm gonna say it. I think that a stock bay with everything in the stock location, if you have a problem with the car, makes it a lot easier to just work on and fix. That's how I feel about it. So I'm actually a stock bay guy. Not that I don't like the other kind, but I do prefer stock bay. You got the 3G alternator. You're looking good on your, oh, this is a different TFI module, huh? Dynamod.
I had to put a Dynamod on it because when I was pulling the car back home from getting the rear brakes done,
yeah,
it cut off on me. And it wouldn't crank. Everybody was telling me it might be your ignition module.
Yep.
Put the Dynamod in it and it fires straight up.
It's so funny. Like I was just had another video I did yesterday. He asked me this as a younger guy, he's into Fox bodies, and he said, what are some of the common things on these cars, right? And I pointed out, TFI module just goes out, you know, just goes out. So, but really right now, other than exhaust, it's basically just stock now.
Yes.
How many miles on the car? I forgot to ask.
The odometer is showing 149,000.
And how many miles have you put on it since 2019, you think?
I got it with 147,000.
Okay, so a couple thousand miles. And you're gonna have a FOXBODY's at the beach. I forgot to ask, are you local in this area, or?
I live an hour away. I'm Shelby, North Carolina.
Shelby, okay, yeah, so it's not too bad then. And you still made it to Mustang Week, and well, I'm glad you did, because then I got to see it. Now, did it have the Cobra insert when you got it?
It already had the
okay.
insert, yeah.
That makes these look so much better in my opinion.
It had the chrome pony in it, and I just went ahead and...
Oh, you blacked it out?
Blacked it out, got the black ponies on it, done the black emblems.
Yeah, and you did the black headlights too, or the smoke to me?
Yeah, I got them off eBay actually.
That's where you have to get them now. I have the one with the clear lenses, and you can't buy them anymore, you know, so very cool. Okay, so that's just, there's two switches there now. Oh, and it lights up for you. I like that, because sometimes you might forget. There you go. Does that keep it pretty cool, I guess, right?
Yes, it made a big difference.
Did you do that yourself,
yes.
or? Okay. Yeah, I forgot to ask you about that. Like, how much of the work did you do versus other people? You did
a little bit. But
okay.
Most of it, the paint work. And
well, paint and body's always tough, you know. Well, that's cool. You did the contour fans, and did you wire the switches up, or?
Yes, I wired the switches up.
You did a nice job, because that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Also, too, I just noticed this is a proportioning valve.
Yes, because I had the cover brakes in the rear.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. You're already 5 lugs, so you're actually set up pretty well for 347. Yes. It's ready, right?
It's ready.
So one thing I forgot, guys, I was so excited about this car. We already got kind of a cinematic of the car. So I'm gonna let you take a look at it real quick, and I'm gonna throw some of my video game music that I like in for that. So take a look at that real quick, and then we'll be right back. As you saw, a very beautiful car. I'm gonna go ahead and just bring you guys into the interior a little more, give you a better look at this. Seat is very comfortable. Instrument cluster, yeah, it just looks, it's really clean. It's a clean car, Jeff. I like it, and I'm glad that you came to Foxtoberfest. The only thing is, I'll have a little bit more trouble getting under these wheels because of the tail, because of my size. All right, oh, actually, can I hand you the camera while I get out so I don't tear up your car? There we go. Okay, I made it safely out. And guys, we're gonna check out underneath this trunk. Also, it has the Cobra wing. I forgot to point that out. You still got the GT body kit though, right? Yeah, okay. So we got Cobra wing, Cobra spoiler. Oh, look at this. You won some trophies on this thing. Now, what's this one here? This is very interesting.
This one was from FOXBODY's at the beach. That was best paint.
Best paint? I mean, I gotta kind of agree. It's beautiful paint.
And that was for best interior.
Yes, your interior is super clean. Forest City, first place.
Yep.
So you've been enjoying showing it, haven't you?
I guess you've seen the man.
I gotta get it under here. I saw these tall guys. Oh yeah, these guys, they're selling these here, right? Where did you get these? Do you remember?
Grand Design mats.
Grand Design mats. Looks really good. I need to do this on my car, but I'd like to get it to say Gearhead. I don't know if they could.
Yeah, he can do it.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I might have to reach out to him. Grand Design mats, if you're watching me, comment. But I'm gonna try to find you. That looks cool. Oh, I like the taillights match. LX taillights, but they're smoked as well. Yep. Great look on the car, Jeff. Yeah, so very clean. Get your FOXBODY convertible. I think they should get it right now. What do you think, Jeff? Should they wait? or go get it now?
We'll get it.
Yeah, where you get it while you can, right? Cool. Well, big thanks to Geoff for letting me do a feature on his car. Beautiful Fox body, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. But right now, I'm gonna go ahead and share this story with you on the channel. I had somebody wave at me. Bloopers. What's up? How's it going, man?